Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Thursday, January the 23rd, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. I see here 5 sevens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so let's get started with the 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in that column the only 3 places for a 7 is here, here or there. I see here 7, so no 7 there. I see there 7, so no 7 here. Only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so in the middle, in the column between, the only 3 places for a 7 is here, here or there, but I see here 7, so no 7 there. I see here 7, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 6 in this row, a 6 in the middle row, so in the row below the only place for a 6 is here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between the only 2 places for a 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so in the column between the only 3 places for a 6 is here, here or there, but I see here already a 6, so no 6 there. I see here a 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Alright. Then a 4 in this column, a 4 in the second column, so in the first column the only 2 places for a 4 is here or there, but I see here already a 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Well, I cannot continue with the 4. Let's try another digit. Maybe 2. Okay. Yes, this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 5, and 8. 1, 5, and 8. I see here 1, and I see there 5. So no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 digit left for the 8. This should be an 8. Here, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. It's a pair for this column. Then, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these two boxes. I see there an 8. No 8 in this box. Only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column. So in the second column, the only place for the 8 is here. Then these 3 numbers in the first row, the missing numbers are 4, 5, and 9. I see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 should be here. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. And I remember these two boxes, we have a pair, the 1 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So no 5 here, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 3, and then 9. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. 3 and 8. The third row. Here there are 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 8. That means the other 2 numbers are the 1 and the 2. I see here a 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 9. 1 missing number in this column for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here already a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 in the second column, 3 in the first column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be here. Final number of this big square for the number 9. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be this one. Then 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there, but I see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. I see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And the 8 goes here. Then 3 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 2, 4, and 9. 2, 4, 9. I see here 4, so no 4 there. I see there 4, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. 2 and 9 are left. I see there 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left for the first row for the number 8. No, 8 we have. 9 we need. Then 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then an 8 in this column, an 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here already an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 4, yes, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 4 is here or here. But we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then an 8 in the last row, an 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and then 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 2. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. two missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. I see here a 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes here, and the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be there, and the 5 goes here. So we finished this medium Sudoku in 16 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like, or if you want. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can make this Sudoku by yourself. Rest me to say thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Have a great day today. Bye bye.